Hi guys, I just rebooted and take a look at the version that we're having, right? So the thing is that it's possible. Basically, the message in the video is, yeah, we've updated our system. We have added the spices of ArcoLinux to Manjaro and had this what if. Let's pop it in. Let's see if we can do a sudo pacman -s linux. And these are all the Linuxes. Lots of choices because we are on Manjaro, right? But in here somewhere is also the Xanmod. I do believe I've added something more to this. Here are all the Xanmod guys. So let's see if I have... No, it's not. I thought maybe the Celtics repo was activated, but it's not, right? It's just the ArcoLinux stuff and the Manjaro stuff. We shouldn't call it ArcoLinux, but the names are of course a similar thing. But they manage the packages from ArcoLinux in a different way. So, for example, they hold back the grub update. So here we are. Choose whatever you like. If you love Manjaro, great. But you can learn a lot from the ArcoLinux project on the YouTube videos on the website. And this information can be partially, probably, right, be applied to anything Manjaro based or ArcoLinux based. So that's it. That's my what if. Can we have the Xanmod thing on our system? Sure, we can. Right? Cheers.